Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a macaron cake at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 100 grams of almond flour, 100 grams of powdered sugar, and 70 grams of aged egg whites. Make sure everything is at room temperature. Sift your dry ingredients together to remove any lumps, which is crucial for smooth shells. This initial preparation sets the stage for perfect macarons. Now let's create those beautiful shells. Whip your egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks, slowly incorporating granulated sugar. Then carefully fold in your sifted almond flour and powdered sugar mixture. This macaronage step is key. Mix until the batter flows like slow lava. Pipe uniform circles onto your mats, then let them rest for about 45 minutes to form a slight skin before baking. While your macaron shells are cooling, it's time to prepare your delicious filling. A classic choice is a smooth buttercream, but ganache or a fruit curd also work wonderfully. The key is to ensure your filling is stable enough to support the cake layers without oozing out. Make sure it's not too runny but still spreadable. This adds a delightful flavor contrast to the sweet shells. Finally, let's assemble your stunning macaron cake. Gently place your first macaron shell layer on your serving plate. Spread an even, thin layer of your prepared filling over it. Repeat this process, stacking the remaining macaron shells and filling. Once assembled, chill the cake for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld and the cake to set, making it easier to slice and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.